Good morning to all. My dear students, in this video, I will tell you about the distance formula. This you can use in class 9 as well as in higher classes also, 10th, 11th, 12th, anywhere. Distance formula means the distance between the 2 points, and point means having the coordinates. Point means having the coordinates. Without coordinates, there is no meaning of the point mathematically. Means if anybody says about the point, directly you can ask what are the coordinates. Means x and y coordinates that I have told already in the previous video, that is about the graph. When you plot the graph, then always point is plotted upon the graph and then which one? For the straight line, for the curve, any type of, in your course only the straight line for class 9. So distance formula means you no need to draw on the graph. Only by using formula you can find the distance, you can find the length of the line. But if I am talking about the points, means the point A and point B. Suppose, and the point A having the coordinates x1, y1 and point B having the coordinate x2, y2. What is this? Do you know what is this? This is not a line. This is the line segment. The difference between the line and line segment is the means line has no definite length, but line segment has the definite length. This is the difference, main difference. So AB, we can find the distance between the AB. This is the D. Suppose this distance is D. Then D is equal to, formula is, what is the formula? If you have the coordinates, just I am talking about the coordinates of the 2 points. Coordinates A and B. Then D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. x2 you can take from here, x1 you can take from the first point, put the value, take the difference, make the square. Similarly in this case. But sometimes the same distance you will get by using this formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both are same, there is no difference. If you write x2 minus x1 या x1 minus x2 both are same, इसलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. किसी को भी x1 y1 ले सकते हैं, किसी को भी x2 y2 ले सकते हैं. Question that will not be mentioned in the question already. So this is the distance formula. Now I'm going to tell you about the use of this, means the sum with one example. So if example is there, suppose find the distance between A 2, minus 5 and B minus 3, minus 2. Negative sign I have taken. Why? Because the problem arises when we have the negative sign with the number. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा negative sign के लिए ही दिक्कत होती है. The students does the mistake when they have the negative sign. So be alert when you have anywhere the negative sign. Now, if this is x1 y1, suppose 2, minus 5. And this is the x1 y1, means I treat the coordinate, and this is b minus 3 comma minus 2, and this is x2 comma y2. If you write x1 y1 x2 y2, that will be easy for you. Now use this formula or this formula, anyone. So if you are using this formula, then d is equal to, before using the formula you have to write the formula also. Then d is equal to under root x2. What is x2? x2 is minus 3. Then minus sign. In the formula already minus sign is given, and this x1. What is x1? x1 is 2 from here. So this is 2 whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 2 minus here y1 is minus 5, माइनस पहले से एक है, माइनस 5 और है, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 whole square. So what you will get? minus 5 whole square plus 3 whole square. Then minus 5 whole square. Generally the student does the mistake here also. minus 25 writes a minus 25. That is absolutely wrong, क्योंकि स्क्वायर जब भी लगाओगे तो माइनस साइन नहीं आएगा. तो this is 25 because minus 5 into minus 5, so that will come 25 plus 9 is equal to under root 34. By mistake, if you are getting any negative sign after solving the question, negative sign inside the under root, it means your calculation is wrong. तो check your calculation and then do again. अगर माइनस साइन मिलता है तो this is the one example. Now the one more example of this, the same question, same formula, using the same formula. In some question asking the constant, constant means the value of a, value of k, like this. So how to do such type of question? Like in this exercise 19.4 of ML Agrawal, book Mathematics ICSC class 9. In this there is given the question, if q 0 comma third question here, find the value of a if the distance between the points minus 3 minus 14 and b a comma minus 5. Distance between them is 9 units. मतलब इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस है 9 units. तो ये अगर डिस्टेंस 9 units है तो it means this is the d, and you have to find the value of a, small a. तो use the formula x1 minus x2. अब देखिए चाहे जो भी यूज करें आंसर एक ही आता है, y1 minus y2 whole square. d is equal to, put the 9 here, is equal to, जैसे जैसे दिया है वैसे वैसे पुट करें. x1 मींस, अगर हम इसको x1 y1 मानते हैं, इसको x2 y2, तो x1 मींस minus 3 minus x2 मींस a whole square plus y1 means minus 14 and minus y2 means minus 5. Again minus 5 and already minus sign, so it will be plus 5. यहाँ पे गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, minus minus. Then 9 is equal to, अब अगर इसको हम सॉल्व करें, फर्दर सॉल्व करें, तो इसको अगर होल स्क्वायर करें तो जनरली स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ पे मिस्टेक करते हैं वो बताएं. There are 2 minus sign are there, तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा because it is square. तो you can use the 9 minus 3 whole square, that is 9, minus a whole square, that is a square, and 2ab plus 2ab और माइनस माइनस प्लस ही हो जाएगा, इसका मतलब 6a. कभी कभी बच्चे ये करते हैं कि ये तो प्लस कर दिए, यहाँ माइनस कर दिए, सोचे कि ये माइनस है दोनों का. बट if 2 minus sign inside the root and inside the bracket and square is there, then always will be positive. Then minus 14 plus 5, that is minus 9, लेकिन minus 9 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? plus 81. तो 9 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस 6a प्लस 90. Then you have to find the value of a, but under root is there. So both side take the square. So taking square both sides. So you will get 81 a square plus 6a and plus 90. And you can see every term right in the left hand side. Minus 81 is equal to 0. A square plus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0. Then factorize it by using the simple factorization. A square plus 3a plus 3a plus 9 is equal to 0. Or you can write a is common plus 3 is common and then a plus 3 two times. This is the factorization. So a is equal to minus 3. Only one answer because तो ये a की वैल्यू कभी कभी a की two values भी आती है कि constant की because if the factorization in the factorial you are getting the two values तो you do two values मिलेंगी. तो this is the way how to solve. Then one more type of question in which you have to show the collinearity. Collinear means collinear points when the number of points are on the same straight line. Suppose this is a straight line and point A is on this, point B on this, point C on this, point D on this. There are so many points are on the same straight line, so all points are collinear. From the collinear points only one straight line can be formed, only one straight line. तो ये अगर हमारे पास पॉइंट्स है तो वैसे स्ट्रेट लाइन तो फॉर्म करने के लिए सिर्फ दो ही पॉइंट काफी है, लेकिन अगर 2 पॉइंट्स है उसके बाद अलग नॉन कोलिनियर है तो कई सारे स्ट्रेट लाइन बन सकते हैं. बट इफ द कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स आर देयर देन ओनली वन स्ट्रेट लाइन कैन बी फॉर्म. तो ये a b c दिए गए हैं and you have to show that these are the collinear by using distance formula. So the points a b c are collinear if and only if. ये I double F का मतलब होता है if and only if. देखो अब इसमें भी दिखाई दे रहा है कि a to b this distance between a to b and distance between b to c अगर इन दोनों का सम करें तो किसके इक्वल आना चाहिए? What distance you will get after taking the sum of these two? A to C ये पूरा डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Therefore you have to use the same thing for showing the collinearity. मतलब AB की डिस्टेंस निकालना है, पॉइंट्स विल बी गिवन, कोऑर्डिनेट्स विल बी गिवन, AB की डिस्टेंस, BC की डिस्टेंस एंड देन टेक द सम एंड इज इक्वल टू द थर्ड वन. इसको ऐसे भी नहीं बोला जाता है the distance between the distance of any two lengths, the sum of distance between the any two lengths is equal to the third length. मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि B पॉइंट बीच में ही हो, मतलब कहीं बिटवीन हो, C भी हो सकता है. तो AC मतलब sum of any two lengths in the collinear point is equal to the third distance. So there is one question I'm telling you for collinearity. Show that find the value of 3,1. 14th question है 3,1 B point 6,4 and C point 8,6. You have to show these are collinear. So using the collinearity, first you find the distance between AB and use this formula for AB. x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. So distance between AB is equal to, या इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं distance AB ऐसे भी एंड x1 y1 x2 y2, तो x1 क्या है 3a माइनस x2 दैट इज 6 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 मींस 1 माइनस 4 होल स्क्वायर. What you will get? Minus 3 whole square and plus minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 under root. हमेशा जब भी करें तो simplified form में करें. तो 18 you can write under root 18 also you can write 3 root 2 unit. This is the distance between AB. Similarly you can find the distance between BC. तो BC की distance BC इज इक्वल टू, अब फॉर्मूला लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली हम x1 y1 x2 y2 मतलब कुछ भी ले सकते. तो 6 माइनस 8 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4 माइनस 6 होल स्क्वायर. x x से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा और y y से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. तो इट विल बी माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर एंड प्लस माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 4 प्लस 4 and that is under root 8 and you can write as under root 2 root 2. तो 2 root 2 unit and 3 root 2 अभी ये आ गए. तो अब हमको A और C के बीच के डिस्टेंस निकालनी है. I'm talking just only for collinear points. Collinear points शो करना है इसलिए. Now distance between AC. तो DAC is equal to under root 3 minus 8, हम 8 minus 3 भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 minus 6, 6 minus 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. तो no problem, minus 5 whole square and minus 5 whole square. This is equal to 25 plus 25 means under root 50. और under root 50 को क्या लिख सकते हैं 5 root 2. ये जो वैल्यूज आई हैं now you can see 3 root 2 is the distance between AB. Distance between BC is 2 root 2. अब अगर हम इन तीनों को देखें this value, अगर if you take the sum of these two, what you will get? The third one. So therefore here AB, distance between AB plus distance between BC is equal to distance between AC. So it shows ABC are collinear. This is the proof.